Did you know that 90% of people check the rating of your event management services on Yelp before they book you for their event? Negative review means a loss of potential customers. Here is a real-life situation. John was excited about his first day at the conference. He was upset that the breakfast was just setting up, and he might be late for his talk. He was very disappointed and was just on his way out in lounge room area. He spotted a flyer with a Centriqe QR code requesting for customer feedback in real time. He madly sent a negative feedback to the event planner. Immediately, the staff was on his way bringing him a complete breakfast meal including his favorite coffee. He was very pleased with this reaction, and in just a second, his perception changed from very poor to excellent. Centriqe enables you and your managers with real-time notifications based on responses from feedback questions. Join the league of smart event planners that are using real-time customer insights to grow their revenue. Don't let your customers leave unsatisfied. Sign up today to delight your customers with Centriqe.